The 3 to 6 month rule helps you determine the amount of money you should have saved for emergencies. It is based on your monthly expenses and provides a guideline to keep you financially secure in unexpected situations. An emergency fund is crucial because it protects you from sudden financial challenges like job loss, medical bills, or urgent repairs. Having money set aside reduces stress and prevents borrowing at high costs. The rule suggests saving enough money to cover essential living expenses for a period ranging from 3 to 6 months. This safety net helps you manage through tough times without financial hardship. Start by calculating your essential monthly expenses. These include housing costs like rent or mortgage, food, utilities such as electricity and water, and transportation. Knowing this number is the foundation of your emergency fund. Once you have your monthly expenses, multiply that amount by 3 and also by 6. This gives you a range for how much money to aim for in your emergency fund, representing 3 to 6 months of expenses. Your emergency fund target will be within this range of 3 to 6 months of expenses. Depending on your personal situation, you can decide whether to aim closer to the lower or higher end of this spectrum for added security. When deciding the size of your emergency fund, consider factors such as how stable your job is, how many dependents you have, your health and insurance coverage, and if you have other income sources to rely on in emergencies. You do not need to save the entire emergency fund all at once. Set a monthly saving goal and consistently contribute towards it. Over time, these steady contributions will help you reach your target safely.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.